Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about visual programming, an important topic on ProgressBar content. So basically what is visual programming? Visual programming is a programming language that is used to create Windows applications. So in that there are many controls which is available to create the Windows application. So one of the important control is nothing but ProgressBar control. So what is progress bar control? Let's see. So it is used to give a visual feedback to the users about the status of some task. It shows a bar that fills in from left to right as operation progresses. So what is the use of this visual progress bar? It is nothing but it is a feedback which gives us status. So basically when a task is being asked to do, so we have to know what is the progress of the task, whether it is started or it is keep on doing or it is completed. The same like that, if we want a task to be shown it completed or it is in progress, we can use this control in our Windows Phone application. So it is typically used when an application performs tasks such as copying files, printing documents. You can see when copying and pasting, the speed or the progress will be starting and it will be shown in the green till the end. If the entire progress is done, it means the progress bar will be completely filled. To a user application might look unresponsive if there is no visual cue. So if the user is copying and pasting whether this program bar is not available, then it will be like whether the task is done or no, it will be a clueless thing. So this progress bar is used to show a lot of progress. So there are three important properties: maximum, minimum, and value. So maximum is nothing but so until which limit the, for example, if the process or the task is starting from zero, that is copying, and it has to limit a range, we can set it as 100. Okay, so the maximum will be 100, the minimum will be 0. So we can set that from 0 to 100 if the progress reaches, it means the task has completed. So by the progress numbers, we can understand that the task is completed or not. What is the third property? Value. Value is nothing but what is the current position of the progress. Is it 50% completed? Is it 60% completed? So what is the progress of the completion? So this is one of the important examples. So here we have created the visual programming code. So basically we are starting from the class that is form2 and we are loading. When it loads, what should happen? So when it loads progress bar 1 minimum, the property minimum, it should be as 0. Okay, then it should become maximum. So initially we are making the progress bar value as 0. It means once the task is in the beginning state, the value should be 0. When the program is loading, the value will be 0. We are setting the value as 0. Once we are clicking a button, that is, this is a button. Okay, let's see the condition, then you will be understand. So what is text box 1? Text box 1 is KJC and text box 2 is 123. This means we are checking the username and password is right or not. If it is equal to KJC and if the password is equal to 123, then the progress bar will reach its value to 100 and the message box will be shown as username is authenticated. Else you have to recheck your username and password and the progress bar dot value will be set to 0. So you can I'm copying it on. Okay, so this is the username and this is the password. So this is the progress bar 2. Okay, so I'll enter the username as HSC and password as 123. So when I click verify, the progress bar should move from 0 to 100. That is the condition I have given. So what will be the message box showing? Username is authenticated. Okay, now there is another button which is called as reset. When I reset, what should happen? The text box 1, that is KJP, the password, and the progress bar value should become 0. Okay, when I click on reset, everything should be 0 and I have kept an authentication. Support should be equal 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I verify it. So now it will be showing 0 to 100, which is authenticated. Okay, now I will put a wrong password. Okay, 178. So what should happen? The username is correct, but the password is wrong. So the progress is wrong. When I verify it, what should happen? Recheck username and password. I'm clicking on messages, recheck username and password. And when I click OK, the value turns 0. It means it is wrong. So I have set the value of 0. So when I click on reset, everything will be becoming 0. Okay. So when I click cancel, the